When using a chair, there are usually three different angles in the back that we can see. The first one we have here is the forward sitting. This would be used in a combination of computer work and forward-reaching tasks. For example, this could be paperwork, writing, phone calls, and more. Our next one would be the upright sitting. This would be used in a combination of computer work and reading or referencing of a hard copy. In most cases, this is common. Reclined sitting is our third one, and this would be used for dedicated computer work without reaching, writing, or paperwork involved. A common misconception is that we should always be sitting at 90 degrees. The ideal angle is usually around 100 to 110 degrees. So that actually might be a mix of these two positions right here. This set of pictures allows us to fully understand the adjustment mechanisms for the backrest. The first one that we have is the seat height adjustment. You can heighten or lower this adjustment to make sure that you have that 90 degrees or around 100 degrees in the knees. The next thing we have is the back height adjustment. This can determine where your backrest sits. The back angle adjustment, you can either move it forward or backward. Remember, you don't want it to be exactly at that 90 degrees. This is the seat tilt adjustment. This can either move your hips more forward or backwards. And the next one is the seat depth adjustment. This is where the seat pan will either move forward or backwards. Let's talk about the importance of armrests. Armrests can actually help with the upper muscles in the neck and shoulders, because when, let's say, we type, this is what happens. Those upper muscles in the arm and the back have to hold the arm in the typing position. This will then cause fatigue in these upper muscles. And these static contractions, which would be holding a position for a long period of time, are probably one of the biggest risk factors in the office environment. The ideal position of the armrest should be in that 90 to 100 range. You can see here that a lower armrest may not actually provide the sufficient support, and a higher armrest may cause tension in the shoulders while shrugging. Here we have the armrest adjustment. The first one we have is the armrest height adjustment. Remember, we want that 90-degree angle in our arm. The next one we have is the arm pad forward or backward adjustment. This allows the forearm to move forwards or backwards. And the next one we have is the arm pad angle adjustment. This allows the arms to move more inwards or outwards. Here we have a list of common problems when setting up a chair. First two we have are the seat pan being too high or too low. Remember that we want to have our feet flat on the floor with a 90 degrees or 110 degrees angle in our knees and hips. The next one would be having the seat pan too deep. For this, we want to have 1 fist of space in between the seat pan and the back of our leg. The next one would be the backrest not being in the proper location. The next one would be the arms being too high or too far apart. We don't want any of that shrugging of the shoulders that would cause tension in those upper muscles. The chair always staying in the same position. And the last one being the standard chair is actually designed for the 50th percentile male. This means that the chair is designed for a specific height and weight, and chairs shouldn't be a one size fits all.